First move the world. That's our purpose at Mercedes-Benz Cars. It means pursuing more than just the immediate. This pioneering spirit is a cornerstone of our new sustainable business strategy. So how are we enabling our customers to switch to a more carbon-neutral mobility? For one, we want to offer mobility solutions for the last emission-free mile. The first step is a strong focus on powertrain electrification, from plug-in hybrids to pure electric vehicles with battery and/or fuel cell. Our clear ambition with the EQ brand is to offer sustainable mobility solutions for our urban and non-urban customers. And yeah, the micro-mobility segment is a seamless link to our ambition. The new Mercedes-Benz EScooter is a perfect fit. It was developed in cooperation with the specialists from Micro-Mobility Systems in Switzerland, specifically designed to close the gap for the first and especially the last emission-free mile, being an ideal addition for those wanting a flexible and individual micro-mobility solution.